Gago ka, may
Healer
pick.
down.
Pick ko naman ah.
Tagal mo i-pick. Nice one. Isa pa. Gigo. Gigo pre, gigo.
Magdadash ako.
Baligtad pala sa kabila. Long. Both long.
Spike planted.
Pinabol.
Last
Dalawang
player
magaling.
standing.
Nasa yung chamber.
Sa left side pala.
Here.
Box.
Dito ba?
Dito sa left side. Hard left mo ah.
One enemy remaining.
Three.
Sa back side.
Oh!
Tangina, nice info by me.
Nice.
Did you see that, bro? Nice info. They might push me. Ay, putang ina, sabi na eh. Bro, Cypher, what
Here.
the fuck are you doing? Pick!
Oh shit.
Hell site
One
long.
tower.
Tungas siyempre.
One tower.
Tungas tuloy.
Oops.
Ang ano mo nun dyan? Pipick ka ng ganun.
One long, one long.
Last player
Temper.
standing.
Ang ina mo, gago ka. Hell. Kaya pala.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
This is nothing.
Putang ina mo.
Clutch.
Utang yun na mo.
Putang ina, tinanong para sabihin sa akin.
Oh, blocking sight. My ult's ready.
Go and do it, Geko. Go.
Here.
Garage.
Drop in a smoke.
Nice.
Grounded.
One shot.
Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Spike
Utang
down
yun mo.
Window to.
Here.
Wallbang mo nga, pre. Nice, ah.
I worked up an appetite on that one.
Uy, gago. So obvious daw, pre.